Some legends are seen, some legends are remembered, but a rare few are heard forever. For more than 7 decades, one voice carried India's emotions, its love, its pain, its prayers. This is the journey of Lata Mangeshkar, and this is why legends never die. Born in 1929, in indoor music surrounded Lata from childhood. Her father, a classical singer, became her first teacher, but fate tested her early. At just 13, she lost her father. The weight of family responsibility fell on her young shoulders. Music was no longer passion, it became survival. Bombay was unforgiving, rejected for having a thin voice, told she didn't fit the industry's standards. But Lata believed something powerful. Truth doesn't need volume. She kept singing, she kept learning, she kept enduring. Then came a turning point, a purity, a softness, an emotion the industry had never heard before. Suddenly, heroines didn't just act. They felt Lata Mangeshkar didn't just sing songs. She gave films their soul. Romance, devotion, heartbreak, patriotism. From Lag Ja Gail to Ai Mere, Watan Kalogon, her voice became India's heartbeat. She sang in over 30 languages, but emotion was her universal language. Lata stayed away from controversy, away from glamour, focused only on perfection. She demanded fair pay for singers changing the industry forever. Quiet strength, unshakable dignity, that was her power. When she arrived in Bombay, the industry doubted her. Her voice was considered too soft, too thin, and unlike the powerful styles popular at the time. But Lata believed emotion mattered more than volume. She refined her craft, studied classical music deeply, and never compromised on purity. Despite unmatched success, she chose humility over glamour. She stood for respect and fairness in the music industry and remained dedicated only to music. Thousands of songs, countless awards, the Bharat Ratna, India's highest honor. Yet she remained humble, always crediting music, not herself. True legends never chase applause, applause follows them. Her songs played at weddings, at farewells, at moments of prayer. 3 generations grew up with her voice. Some voices age, hers became immortal. When Lata Mangeshkar left the world, India stood still. But legends don't disappear. They transform into memory, into melody, into forever. Lata Mangeshkar proved that greatness doesn't shout, it echoes. As long as music exists, as long as emotions exist, her voice will live on, because voices fade, but legends